Hey folks, how you going? I'm Benno, welcome to the shed. Alright, well I'm back on this screen again finally. What I'm trying to do here is bend this piece to this radius. I'll use my trusty gas burner. Definitely want some heat protection here. Start at the lowest point. I don't want to heat the other frame too much. So I can get this up to cherry. Starting to warm up, starting to change colour slowly. I hope I got enough gas to do this. There we go, we've got a radius for my screen to mount to. Yay, there's one done. Let's see if I can manage to do two without stuffing it up. And there we go. I've got my two radiused pieces there. They're almost identical, they're pretty close. I'm happy with that. I may drill another hole in the end of them and run them down from the other end. Let's go and have a look at the bike and see how they might fit. Probably can't see my arm be in the way. So that's not the position it's going to. There'll be one down low. A bit higher than that. Come on. Play the game. Come on, play. So there'll be one roughly there. And another one roughly sitting there. Ouch! Oh, that's still fucking hot. That's today's effort. What I didn't show you was this was actually a single piece of 2" by 1/8 flat steel. So I got really excited and I made a jig to see if I could cut it straight down the centre and have it as close to perfect as I could get it. And this shit off. The pieces actually came up pretty damn good. I'm pretty pleased with that. Which is the cut sides. That's the cut sides on the inside. Got a little bit of movement there, but not a great deal. I'm pretty happy with that. I can live with that. I'm going to have to live with that because I'm not putting any more fucking money into it. I'm still under $100 to make this screen. It's probably going to go over. I've got a piece of Perspex, but it's only 3mm, only 3mm thick. But for the exercise of prototyping, yeah, it'll work out. It'll be fine. If I decide that it's not heavy enough, then I'll go and get a piece of 5mm and cut that out and mount that onto the bike. Well, that's it for this episode, guys. Don't Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch us next time.